The office manager for the Drake, Smith & Hartner law firm buys 7 cases of copy paper at $41.99 per case. What is the total cost? We'll use the 5-step problem-solving process. And first, let's familiarize ourselves with the problem. We want to know the total cost of the copy paper, so let's assign a variable to that. And let's let it be C. So we'll let C be equal to the total cost of the copy paper. Now let's go to the second step, which is to translate to an equation. We know that the cost per case, the cost of one case times the number of cases that were purchased is going to be the total cost. We know the cost per case, it's $41.99 times, we're at the multiplication symbol. We also know how many cases were purchased. There were 7 cases. Is translates to the equal sign, and the total cost, we've assigned the variable C to the total cost. So we have the equation 41.99 times 7 equals C. Now to solve this equation, we carry out the multiplication on the left-hand side. That's the third step in our process. We do the multiplication. 7 times 9 is 63. We'll carry the 6 to the 10th column. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 6 is 69. Carry that 6. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 6 is 13. Carry the 1. And 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1 is 29. And now we need to place a decimal point. We have 2 decimal places here and no decimal places here, so the answer will have 2 decimal places. So we get 293.93. And this then tells us that C is equal to this number. Now let's check that to see if we have a correct answer. One way that we can get a partial check of this is to just round and estimate to see if we get a number close to this number. So we could say that 41.99 times 7 is approximately equal to 40 times 7. I'm rounding this number to 40. And that is equal to 280. And 280 is approximately equal to the number that we found when we did the multiplication, 293.93. So the answer seems reasonable, and we have a partial check that we have a correct solution. So let's go to the 5th step in the process, which is to state the solution. We say the total cost of the copy paper is $293.93.